All right, so I pulled up a Bitcoin chart right now just to kind of show you what we're looking at when it comes to these halving events and why they're so important. So if you see here, I'm looking at the Bitcoin weekly chart. This is Bitcoin in its entire existence and what that looks like from a price perspective. And each line that you see in this graph represents a Bitcoin halving event. So as you see, after each halving, there's a period of time, and then there's a bull. This is what a bull means. Think of horns of a bull. A bull up, bear down. Bull fights up with his horns, a bear attacks down. That's why it's bull up, bear down, just to break that down for you. But as you see, there's a halving, there's a period of time, bull market, consolidation. Then we had a halving, a period of time, bull market, consolidation. And now we're in another halving, we're consolidating, and inevitably a bull market will occur. It's going to happen. History repeats itself. A lot of trading and investing is pattern recognition. If history repeats itself, we're going to have another bull. And it's kind of hard to tell how powerful this stuff is from this graph. So let's just show you what that looks like. So in the first bull market, let's just start from here and just study how much it gained from that. So we went 2,500%. Jesus. That's a lot of money. Bitcoin went from 700, whatever, $700 or so. Let's say Bitcoin went from 2,000 dollars up to $20,000. So that's 10x. Let's just say that to make it simple. So let's break down how much things actually changed. So if we measure when this bull started to happen, so let's just start right here and we measure up to the top. That is a 600% return. And that's being generous. It's more so probably like 1,000% return after this halving. So let's check out the next halving. So we had our Bitcoin halving, we had a little consolidation, we had a push, we had a down, and then we had our bull. So let's start from there. At its peak, this was a 500% return on Bitcoin itself. Crazy after the halving. And then we had our consolidation period. And now we are at our fourth halving event. And let's just say hypothetically, let's lowball this and say we have a 200% gain from where we are right now. So we start at 60K and we go up 200%. That is leaving us at a damn near $200,000 Bitcoin, $180,000 Bitcoin. I don't know if we're going to get this high. If we do, amazing. But that's just to show you that history will and can repeat itself and what to think about. And if Bitcoin goes above 100K, which I believe it will at the bare minimum hit 100K in 2025. If we start touching 150, in between 150 and 200, oh my God, there's going to be altcoins that have 50x returns, 100x returns. You're going to be able to turn $1,000 into $100,000 if you're in the right projects with this current bull market. I think we're heading into probably the strongest bull market that I will see in my life, or at least my young adult life. I don't know when we're going to see something like this again. So if I were you, I would be paying attention. I would be trying to get some capital in crypto because you will be kicking yourself in the future if you had the opportunity to make some money in this game and you didn't. So that's why the having stuff makes sense. I just wanted to show that there. Let's talk about this market sentiment again. So I want to talk about why this is an important time right now and why you really need to be paying attention. So right now, as I'm recording this, it is September 25th. We are coming out of September and we're about to head into October of 2024. Historically, September is the worst month in crypto, and historically, quarter four of crypto is the best month of crypto, or is the best quarter of crypto. So now is when you need to get in. Now is when you need to start paying attention. So I have something to show you. So let's look at this here. Let's make myself a little smaller. Let's look at this here. This is a very important chart that you should pay attention to, and I'll break this down for you. So what we're looking at is a chart that represents Bitcoin and its returns month by month, year by year. Okay. So as you see, January through December and 2013 through 2024, this shows the return on Bitcoin each month. So January of this year, we had less than 1% return. In February of this year, Bitcoin jumped 43%. In April of this year, it was down 14%. So you can see all of this. Now, why does this matter? A lot of investing is pattern recognition. I will say this 1,000 times. History, it rhymes. Sometimes it repeats itself, sometimes it rhymes. Nonetheless, humans tend to do the same things. And what we're looking at right now is showing that we're in a halving year, like I spoke about. So it makes sense to compare 2024 with the previous halving years. And right now, we have black boxes that are around Q4 of the halving years, 2016 and 2020. And as you see, following September, which is historically the worst month of crypto, we have a strong Q4. Jesus Christ. All right, so why is this important? History repeats itself, and if it doesn't repeat itself, it rhymes. And what we're looking at as the returns on Bitcoin, as you see, we have these black boxes covered. These black boxes represent Q4 after a Bitcoin halving. Q4 is October through December. Q1 is January through March. Q2 is April through June. Q3 is July through September. Q4 is October through December. We are ending September and we are heading into the strongest quarter of historically of cryptocurrency. And in particular, after halving years, we have very strong quarters. So this is 3 months in a row of straight green, 3 months in a row of straight green, 27, 42, 46. And mind you, this is Bitcoin returns. If Bitcoin is going up 40%, there are altcoins that are going up hundreds of percents. Just remember that when I speak. So in 2016, we had great Q4. 2020, we had a great Q4. Now we're in 2024. We're ending September and we're going into October, November, December. So time is crucial. If you're watching this past this time, it's still probably a good time to get in. Just understand that the earlier, the better. So let's look at it what it looks like right now, actually. So we're actually in the green right now in September. We still have a couple days, so we don't know what it's going to end up being, but might be a positive sign. When's the last time that we were green? Last year. And what did that look like? Great returns. When is another time that we were green in September? Great returns. Great returns. We actually never had a green September that did not follow with with 3 following months of green. Yeah, you need to get in crypto now. Now you need to start investing because this is if we end green, historically we've never not had a green Q4. And we're a halving year and it's an election year, bro. I don't know how much I need to say. You need to be paying attention to this and I will help you as much as I possibly can. Just, listen. But I am not your financial advisor. If you lose all your money, why are you listening to me? I'm just a boy that likes crypto and technology and runs my mouth a little too much. But yeah, you should invest in crypto because of this right here. All right, it is the end of September. It is September 30th, and we are currently still up 8% this month for Bitcoin. And if we end at 8%, this will historically be the best September of all time. And like I just said, anytime we're green in September, we've never not had a great Q4, which we're about to enter. I don't know what I need to say to get your attention, but there is a very, very, very high chance that it get real spooky in these next 3 months. And if you're invested in cryptocurrency during this time, you're gonna be very happy that you did that. And if you're not, you're gonna wish you listened to the kid. I mean, I don't even need to say too much. I just wanted to come here and let you know that this is the last day in September and we're currently still green. I highly doubt we go to red in one day. So we're going to end this month green and Q4 about to get fun. I'm about to share all the coins that I think is good that you should invest in while you still can. But please pay attention. That's all I'm here to say. Just pay attention. Look at this. Look at the patterns. I could be wrong. There's a chance this doesn't repeat, but odds are you're going to repeat. I look at this like a roulette table, and let's say you go to a casino, and what's that game called? I don't even know what it's called. They're like red and black, and you throw the ball, and it lands on one. Well, let's say you go to a casino, and it's split 50-50. On one end, you lose like 50% of your money, and on the other end, you gain 5 times your money, 5, 10, 15 times your money. Personally, I'm rolling that dice every single time, and I think that's what we're doing right now. Like, there's a chance that you lose like 50% of your money probably, but there's also a really good chance that you double, triple, quadruple, centuple, if that's the word. I don't know. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x your money. So pay attention, please. Okay, quickly, I'm going to tell you guys 3 solid coins that I feel like you can start investing in today. You can dollar cost average these coins. You can put in however amount you think you can afford every week or every day, whatever you feel like doing. One, Solana. I'm not getting into detail today. Just trust me or go look up some details. Look up Solana, great coin, great project. Really think that it's going to do a run this bull market. So Solana, invest in Solana. This will be the safest pick out of the 3 that I'm showing, in my opinion. Number 2, AVAX. This is going to be the second best pick, in my opinion. AVAX is like Solana, but for the gaming world of crypto. It's currently $28. Probably have a higher return than Solana just because it hasn't really made it back up yet. But once again, start DCAing, start investing, start spot buying. Yeah, AVAX, great choice. It's $28 right now. Let's see what it looks like in the future. So third, we have Superverse. This is a gaming project, a gaming token. It's currently $1. It's backed by a lot of major corporations in the crypto world. A lot of people in the gaming industry of crypto are involved with the owner of or the creator of Superverse. So yeah, great project. I think you should start investing in this if you can afford it. As much money as you feel fit for yourself. Superverse, coin number 3. Happy trading or happy investing. Here's to making a lot of money and doing what the fuck you want.